on the floor, my snack bowl is upside down. And wait, is that a banana under the couch? Ayond!
How will we ever clean this up? Maybe it's time to sing the magic cleanup song.
When we clean together, the magic begins. This room is a zoo, what a wild surprise. Blocks in the sink and socks in the pies. Let's start small, take one thing back. Pick up that bear and clean that snack.
Clean it up, clean it bright, left to right and day to night. Teamwork makes the mess go small. Together we can clean it all.
Spin like a top and pick up a shoe. Hop to the bin, now count to 2. Books on the shelf and toys in the chest. We clean up fast, we clean our best. Sparkle time.
Wipe the table, sweep the floor, pull the blanket, close the drawer. Now look around, what do you see? A sparkling room and a happy me.
Even little hands can do big things like tidy rooms and butterfly wings. When you help and do your part, you're growing strong with a shining heart.
Clean it up, clean it right. We did our job with joy and light. Helping at home is what stars do, and the brightest helper today is you.
We did it! When we work together, even big messes feel small. And every time we help, we grow into someone amazing. Remember, helping is magic.